Okay, here's Great Grandma Molly's syrup and cream mix with little pancakes. Your first real solid piece of food. You like that?
That good stuff.
You doing a good job chewing it?
Dad.
Oh, it's Father's Day too, so you just said Dad. So Dada.
Oh, that's a big mouthful, huh?
Strengthen your safety net and find out how affordable it can be at MetLife.com.
You just decided to grab for Mommy's pancake, and that's how we know that you wanted some.
Good job, Stinker. Good job.